What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you a crispy cauliflower recipe that was highly requested via my Snapchat. So let's get right into it. You'll need breadcrumbs, flour, cauliflower of course, and eggs or egg whites, and some spray olive oil or any oil of your choice. So I'm going to start by pouring the breadcrumbs. I'm using Panko, but like I said, you can use any breadcrumbs that you want. And I'm using garlic salt, parsley, paprika, and some garlic powder to spice it up since it is the outside breading. You want it to be nice and flavorful. And then I'm going to pour the flour into another bowl as well and just season it with some garlic salt and some pepper. Pretty simple. And now I'm taking some liquid egg whites and putting it in a third bowl, and with 2 whole eggs I'm going to whisk it together until it's nicely beaten. So this is pretty easy, you guys. I'm going to start by just coating the cauliflower with the flour, and I did buy the cauliflower already broke it up. You can buy a whole cauliflower and break it up yourself, but for timing purposes I find that this is more convenient. So after it's fully coated in the flour, go ahead and put it into your egg mixture and make sure that it is fully coated as well. Your hands will get messy, so be mindful of that. So once it's fully covered in the egg mixture, go ahead and start to put it into the breadcrumbs bowl. And this is the outside breading of the cauliflower, so you want to make sure you give it a nice stir and that you get it evenly coated on all the cauliflower. Now taking a baking sheet that is lined with some tin foil, go ahead and take your spray oil and evenly coat the pan. That's going to make the bottom of the cauliflower crispy. And then go ahead and start to put it on the pan. Once you have all the cauliflower placed on the pan, take that same olive oil spray and spray the top of the cauliflower. This is going to allow the top part to get crispy and cook through as well, just like the bottom. So you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 400, and then you're going to pop those bad boys in there for about 20 minutes. So for the sauce, I'm taking this General So stir fry sauce, and I didn't have a full bottle of it, but I took some water in that bottle and I shook it up and I poured it in there just to make sure I get all of the sauce that was in the bottle. I took some soy sauce and some honey and sesame seeds, and I'm going to whisk this in a bowl, and that's going to be our flavor for these cauliflower bites. So now that these are nice and crispy, I'm going to throw them into my little bowl, and once I have them all in there, I'll stir them and make sure that they're evenly coated. Don't worry if the breading starts to fall off. It's totally fine. It's going to happen, but just make sure that you evenly coat all of the cauliflower and then put them back onto that same baking sheet and then pop them back in the oven. You're not going to bake them again, but you are going to leave the temperature on 400 and hit that broil button and put it on high and let it broil for about 5 minutes. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little food tutorial. I've done honey garlic flavor cauliflower bites, I've done barbecue, and then these Asian inspired ones are just delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.